Hey guys, I got this new breast tape. It is phenomenal. Sometimes I hate wearing bras. You get the lines of the bras, you get, little, you can see it in your shirt. I don't want to see that. I love the bra tape. You can use it in different ways. I have it on right now going from the bottom of my breast all the way to the top of my breast, all the way around to the side and all the way to the back, if you can see my back. And I absolutely love this. You can put it around your boob. You can wrap it around your boob like this. And this is going to make them kind of flat. I love this. Then the other way is if you do have a bra on, you put it around here and it helps you lift your boobs. Then the other way is you can also, what I love about this, you can also use it for different stuff. I use it for my feet when I'm using shoes. It helps protect your toes and the heel of your foot right in here from chafing from your shoes. And I love using this tape for that. And it right here in my shoulders, you can see like it is the bra. And down here too as well, you can see like no nipples show. And it really is comfortable. And I love this when I don't want to wear bras. It is so good. So go ahead and grab this tape from Amazon, you guys.